Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a full update on Bitcoin. We'll talk about everything that's expected this weekend. I hope you're having a great start of this weekend. But we'll do a bit of an expectation video for mainly after the weekend, because this weekend, to be honest with you, I just don't expect that much movement. I did expect a lot of movement yesterday. We didn't get that. I mean, we got some volatility, like we went up to the 50 EMA. There it actually looked like we were quite bullish. Respected it though. From there I had a bit of a pullback, but apart from that, like if you go to the 15-minute time frame, here we had those moves. But apart from that, it has been like we had a bit of bullish momentum, a bit of bearish momentum, but we basically went nowhere. So that's what we'll talk about as well in this video, and just kind of a preparation for next week, because Monday is, well, first of all, Mondays are usually very volatile. And then apart from that, it's also the end of the month. Monday is the 31st. End of the month is usually a day where we got a lot of volatility. So we'll have to wait for that. Like I said, I mean, in the next 24 hours, I don't necessarily expect that much more movement, but we'll talk about that. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, as you can see from the top, I also have my own Signal group. I'm a full-time profitable trader. If you're new to the channel, then also welcome. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, so if you want to receive daily trading signals but also become a better trader, go to cilinix.com and check out the trading signals tab up here, or check out the links down in the description. There you will also be able to find more information and how to join. But now onto Bitcoin. So if we take a look at the market circumstances for Bitcoin, the volume is still pretty decent. Like the volume has been dropping down over the course of today, but it's still like it's only down about 1 billion. I expect that to continue dropping over the course of today and tomorrow. I think that's most likely. There's a minor chance that we get some volatility today, but I don't anticipate it. And just in general, my general sense of the market right now is that we are going down. As you can see, there's also a bit of an Elliott wave theory you can spot right here, kind of depending on how you I mean, you can draw it in different ways, right? I mean, you can have the third wave right here. It's not ideal, but what I'm trying to say is that there is a bearish market structure right now, and the only thing that could save us is if the beginning of August or the end of July is actually going to be bullish, and that's just not in our hands. I mean, a move like this and strong bullish momentum can only be created by institutions and by market makers with a lot of capital, and retail usually doesn't do that. So right now, the most likely scenario in terms of the market structure is down. All right, where we're finding support at this level around 29,100 and 29,000, but you can also see that we have been respecting this 200 EMA quite a lot. We've even respected the 28 EMA quite a lot before that. And just in general, there's this massive resistance level above us, around 29,700. So the only way to break above that is if we really get such a big impulse. And that's something we'll have to wait for Monday. But until that time, I think the general direction will be down. And at this point of time, if we purely go by the technicals, I would expect some sort of a fifth wave down, and therefore expect some sort of a bearish breakout through 29,000. And once we get that bearish breakout, it dropped down to our next support level between 28,500 and 28,400. And that's what I think the most likely scenario is. That's in line with the market structure. That's in line with the trend for now. At some point of time, I do still expect a lot of bullish momentum. All right. At some point of time, I do think we can get that either from 28,400 or perhaps from 27,500. But it's not something I expect on the short term. I know that it's a possibility. All right. So I take it into account, especially for next Monday. But it's like I said, I mean, I definitely think that if, for example, we break down below 29,000, which I don't necessarily think will happen today, but it could happen tomorrow. If that happens, then I think it's confirmed that at least 28,400 is coming. All right, but I'll keep you updated on Bitcoin, of course. For now, that's my take and my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.